Yo, what's going on, man? Welcome back to the channel, man. We out here right now, man. Look at us. Everybody rolling. These are all the dedicated individuals. You know what I'm saying? Modern day muscle.
6 feet apart, though.
Yeah. 6 feet apart. Yeah, man. But these are all the dedicated individuals. We got another 15 to 20 coming out here right now, man. But yeah, but we all out. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? I gotta say from far. You know what I'm saying? Give that pound from far. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? What's good? What's going on, man? Appreciate y'all still coming out. Look at that Hellcat right there. Woo! Look at that rack. Look at that. What up, what up, what up, what up? I give you my, you know what I'm saying? From far. Woo! Look at that thing. That nigga nasty. What's good, man? What up, baby? Yeah, man. Anyway, man, so these are all the dedicated, man. Rain or shine, MOPAR, no car, we out here. You know what I'm saying? Doing it. And we got another 15, about 12 cars coming right now, so it should be dope. A lot of people hit me up though. They was like, yo, the rain. I was like, at the end of the day, the point wasn't, I mean, obviously everybody clean their cars and all that, so it sucks that the cars ain't gonna be clean. But at the end of the day, it was just to get out, go cruise, do whatever, you know what I'm saying? Not necessarily like, what's the name? Oh, there go my dude. Is that my dude right there? Oh yeah, my dude made it. Fresh J. That's what's up. With the BMW over there. But I think Sarasota should be a little bit more clear.
Yeah. I've been watching the weather, the radar.
What's good, man? From far. We gotta do it. It's clear, right? It's more clear, right?
Watching the radar, it's passing.
Right.
Come on, hook up with them, man. And it's a pleasure to be around guys that have a good hobby, man, and everything's good, clean stuff.
Exactly, that's all it is, man.
Y'all subscribe to this channel, man. He has a lot of good content. I've been keeping up with him, and him and Woman.Driven, man. Good dude. Yes, sir. You got the mango over there with the lights around the bottom.
I like this one that
Lights everywhere.
Yeah. We got Paul, Garage Driven. What up?
Good, what's good?
What's
You
up?
alright?
Yeah.
Y'all already know what it is.
Another BMW. Driven. Make sure to check them out. Dope YouTuber. We got Christine still chilling out right here. Let's go check out these. Ooh.
My first time ever doing this shit. First time doing the same shit.
We got Manny. We got Sam. Repo. What's up, Repo?
What's going on? Park over there where everybody is.
Yeah, everyone else, they're parked in the back. So.
Go back in.
Got the Hellcat.
I'm trying to stay my 6 feet.
Got the drone.
Shirt, man. I don't make no shirt, man. My name ain't Ronnie J. Bunko. I just got a little advertisement for my phone.
Got the GoPro on the back.
I have to get like a